What was the biggest thing your parents hid from you? I always felt like my parents didn't really love me. My mom constantly compared me to my siblings, asking why I couldn't be more like them. My siblings weren't any better. They'd joke that I wasn't even supposed to be born, and my mom would never deny it. She'd just shrug and say, "You were an accident. We didn't plan on having you." My dad wasn't great at showing his emotions. He worked a lot, stayed quiet most of the time, and never really got involved in those conversations. I figured he felt the same way. They all did. When my brother left for college, my mom told me to clean out his room and move everything into the attic. Of course, I didn't argue. As I was packing up, I found this old box shoved in the corner. It was labeled Kid Notes. At first, I thought it was just some random drawings or old school projects, but when I opened it, there were 3 envelopes, one for each of us. I could tell right away they were from my dad. His handwriting was all over them. My hands were shaking as I opened the one with my name on it. The moment I started reading, I burst into tears. He wrote about how beautiful I was, how he believed I'd be successful no matter what I chose to do. He said that every room I walked into lit up because of me, and how proud he was to call me his daughter. It wasn't long or fancy, but it was everything I didn't know I needed to hear. I sat in the attic crying, holding that note for what felt like hours. All the things I thought he never noticed about me, there they were, written in his own words. When I finally pulled myself together, I put the note back where I found it. I never told my dad I saw it. I didn't need to. Just knowing how he really felt was